So this is a Skytex Skytab quad-core Intel processor Windows 8 tablet. I'll be shipping these out with the consumer preview version of Windows 8. Right now I have the RTM version on here, but it won't ship with that. It'll ship with the consumer preview. Anyway, this is basically how Windows 8 works on this touchscreen tablet. You can see you just touch the screen and it goes to your unlock screen. And so this is my unlock screen, and I just have a picture password. That's kind of neat. You can change that to whatever you want. So this is how the interaction works on the touchscreen. I have a bunch of stuff installed already. So you could go in and you can see, I don't know if I have an email account set up, but you click that, and if you have an email account set up, it'll take you into your email. I actually do. This is not set up for the right account, so we're not going to deal with this. So if you just pull in from the side, you can go back to the desktop, bring up, say, calendar. Your calendar. You'll see it'll populate depending on the account you have linked to it. This is all nice. Puts photos in, populates with stuff. For example, I'm in New York right now. It tells me the detailed weather when you click on the weather. So, let's see. I'm a little bit far from my access point right now. So you can see it loads the weather from Bing. You can see it's a fairly chilly day here today. So then you can go straight to the desktop. This is an Intel Windows tablet, and so it's all fairly touchscreen. There's two USB ports in here, so you can use a keyboard and mouse with this tablet if you want. I find it to be usable with the touchscreen. Fairly good, right? Can move windows around just like you would normally. If you bring in from this side, it's almost like the old Alt-Tab. You can cycle between programs, right? So I have a game running in the background here. Takes a minute to come back from sleep. This has been asleep for a while. So, yeah, there we go. So I can, cut. It works. So, anyway, I think this tablet would be particularly good as a development machine to test things out, to make sure that your Windows apps are going to run. But it works pretty well. You can see there's all sorts of different applications already available. OneNote MX is fairly useful. Google Chrome is on the system. Everything works fairly well. Fruit Ninja, etc., etc. Go back to the desktop again, and you can see closing Windows isn't so hard. Anyway, so that's the basics of how this tablet works. I find it fairly useful. Anyway, that's it.